Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn about the SAP transaction code MMBE, also known as Stock Overview. This transaction helps you quickly check the stock of a material at various levels, such as plant, storage location, and batch. Step 1. Access MMBE. Go to the command field in SAP, type MMBE, and press Enter. On screen, shows MMBE being typed and executed. Step 2. Enter material information. Here, enter the material number you want to check. You can also enter optional filters like plant, storage location, or batch to narrow down the results. Step 3. Execute. Click on the Execute button or press F8. SAP will now display the stock overview. Step 4. Understand the stock overview screen. This screen shows client level, total stock across all plants. Plant level, stock for each plant. Storage location. Level, stock in individual storage locations. Batch level, stock split by batches, if applicable. On screen, expands tree view for demonstration. Step 5. Stock types. You can see different stock types here. Unrestricted use, stock available for use. Quality inspection, stock under quality check. Blocked stock, stock that cannot be used. Special stocks, like consignment stock, sales order stock, subcontracting stock. Step 6. Drill down. Double-click on a specific plant or storage location to see more detailed information, including batch data and material document history. Judge Wrap Up. This is how you can use MMBE to get a complete picture of your material stock in SAP. It's a very useful transaction for production planning, inventory control, and troubleshooting shortages.